Welcome back for another reaction video, guys. Checking now the amazing dianaankudinova, and this one is Fire to the Rain in her avatar performance, guys. Can't wait to check this one out. I think this one is the number 3, not sure. All right, guys, yes, so I can't wait to check it out. So if you're new to the SLE channel, welcome. Or before you leave, you become a part of the SLE family. All right, so let's jump into the video.
Ой, красиво как.
Wow, guys, like this performance like just totally like just blowing me away for sure. Like the way how she's giving it that control right now with her voice, guys, because we know how deep her voice is, how strong her voice is, and how heavy her voice is, and she performing it like this, like
Не понимаю, что это может быть.
А не сама ты можешь?
Очень молоденький голос, очень молоденький, да. Прям.
she sounds so completely different in this one, guys. Like wow, where she can change it up, and the whole performance as well with everyone on stage, like ooh, ooh.
Очень кого-то тоже это. А может, Аида Гарифуллина, правда? Вот все-таки.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Her voice control and the tone that she's singing in, like just totally blows me away. Like, guys, wow, what a performance. That was so beautiful. Very beautiful indeed. I love it. Can't wait to check out more for sure. Alright, guys, yes, so thanks for watching. Bye.